Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Blue color, pink color, orange color, red color, chocolate color, green color, black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Star, square, heart, hexagon, circle and triangle. First we're going to draw the shapes. Star. Next, square. Next, heart. Next, hexagon. Next, circle. Next, triangle. Now we're going to put the color. Orange color, star. Green color, square. Red color, heart. Next, chocolate color, hexagon. Next, blue color, circle. Next, pink color, triangle. What we learn? We learn orange color, star, green color, square, red color, heart, chocolate color, hexagon, blue color, circle, pink color, triangle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.